Hello guys, Karen and I are bringing you a taste of our daily lives in the province. We are riding the Honda XRM back to Belete through the treacherous roads that are under construction. When we get home, the neighbor's carabao gave birth and Karen cooked some delicious lumpia from scratch. Stay tuned guys. Thank you for watching.
Looks like snail.
That's a snail.
The shell is...
The snails we have in Missouri are like 1/20th that size. What the heck is that?
Yeah.
Well, actually, don't eat the snail. Really? You got those up on the mountain?
Yeah, it's a lot. Some are big like this.
Okay.
Like this.
Bigger?
Hi guys. So I am making lumpia now. So James wanna try a lumpia since there's a commenter yesterday in live, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna make lumpiang Shanghai guys. And I already prepared the carrots, the pork, and the garlic and onion. And I am chopping now a bell pepper, green bell pepper. You excited?
Yeah, it smells good already.
Not yet done. I'm still chopping in a small pieces, guys, because we need to wrap this. That's why I make it small. The ingredients, so that my husband can eat Shanghai. Why are you always saying shomai? Maybe I'm craving shomai. Here. Oops. I think my carrots is a lot, eh?
A lot of carrots?
A lot of carrots. Some people don't put pepper, but I prefer. I like bell pepper, guys, to make it smells good. Gonna saute first, guys, the pork and the carrots, all of these ingredients before we wrap it. So first we will put onion, garlic first, or you can just I want more garlic.
I love garlic too.
Yeah.
Smells good?
Yeah. I like the smell.
Don't burn it.
Yeah, I don't like to burn.
Don't burn the garlic. Nice. Now it's going to smell really good.
I make our pork small also. Good?
Yeah.
After this, we will put carrots.
She's got a lot of carrots, guys. carrots and green pepper, bell pepper.
I don't put a lot of oil. Not good. And then our carrots, guys. I like color orange. More carrots. You have this in America? No?
Lumpia? No.
No lumpia?
Not my family. We're not. It's not our. We've got like cabbage rolls, like fillamcouple.
So let's wait until it will
Okay. It's beginning to smell good.
Smells good now. I put oyster sauce there so that it makes
I can't
tastier.
stand the wait. I want some of that. Smelling good.
Smelling good. Pepper and then garlic. So let us wait a few minutes there until this water
Yeah.
dry. It's a little bit dry, so it's difficult for us to wrap it when it's a lot of water.
Okay. So you want to cook the water off.
Yeah.
All right. All right. Well. Wow, that smells good.
Smells good.
So this is the filling for the lumpia, guys. Wow, you really know what you're doing. That smells so good.
Some people are making Shanghai with a lot of pork, but I don't like a lot of pork. I like carrots and pepper instead. So let's see. Let's make this full day.
Let it cool. Okay.
So that we will wrap after.
All right.
So while we are waiting to cool this, guys, I want to separate this wrapper. So this one, I don't include this. Okay, just put it. This is made of flour, Bino. Oh, there's a mold, a little. What the heck?
All right, guys. We had to go back to the wet market because the lumpia wrappers were moldy. Right, Karen?
Yeah, that's why I go there. We went there, guys, and changed it.
So Karen went in there fuming mad. I told her to be nice. I hope she was nice. Yeah?
Yeah. I tried. But they don't check. That's why I told them that next time they need to check it. What if it's poisonous, right?
Maybe. It wouldn't be healthy mold, but I'm not sure it'd be that poisonous. It wouldn't be good. I don't want it.
Our stomach gets
Yeah.
sick like that. So,
All right.
I need to separate this, guys. After I separate all of this, I will put.
She will wrap
I
them.
will show you how
Okay.
to wrap it, guys. Here you go. I'm gonna wrap this, guys. Yep. We'll put a little bit of water so that it will stick. Some wrappers are not perfect. We will pick the wrapper that have no holes. You wanna try, babe? We are going to cook now, guys. Not yet.
Is that coconut oil?
Yeah, it's coconut oil.
Okay, guys. Karen's
The
cooking
coconut oil right now is
lumpia and
expensive.
coconut oil. Interesting. So the ingredients here is just pretty simple. It's carrots, onion, garlic, and pork. What else?
Pepper.
Bell pepper, guys. It smells so good. Looks good. All right.
Wow, let's wait until it gets color brown.
That's how you know when you're done?
Yeah.
A little crispy? Interesting.
Good.
All right. Well, all right, here we go, guys. She's finished got the lumpia ready, and she's pulling it out of the pan now. So that's what it looks like. It looks really good. Wow.
Next time we'll make a lechon
Amazing.
or pork belly dinner.
I'm gonna be so fat.
Me?
Me.
Oh.
Not you. I see how you put the food away and nothing happens. All right, guys. Looking good.
Good.
All right, guys. The lumpia Karen made today is awesome. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give it a 10. Really excellent stuff. Good job, Karen.
Wow, it's crispy.
It's good.
Good. Sana all.
Masarap.
Masarap. Manami ang Aklanon.
Manami.